Hello everyone. In this video, we are discuss what are the legal compliance required for a startup. Entities incorporated under the Company Act 2013 as a private limited company or registered as a partnership firm under Section 59 of the Partnership Act 1932 or a limited liability partnership under the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 in India are regarded as startup 10 years from their incorporation. These startups are accepted to follow certain legal requirements, various legal, regulatory, and annual compliance deadline laid down by the acts which governs startups must be complied to. Non-compliance may lead to startups facing penalties, closure, inception, and may even lead to disciplinary actions against its directors. Additional fees may be imposed if there is a delay in any submission. This cost keep going up as long as they are delayed. Annual compliance required by a startup. One of the foremost legal requirement for startups are annual compliance, that each startup is required to comply with annual general meeting. Every startup is required to have a general meeting once a year. The annual compliance deadline for the same should be no later than September 30, 6 months after the conclusion of the fiscal year. The approval of financial statement, the announcement of income, the registration or nomination of auditors, the appointment and compensation of directors, and the appointment and compensation of offenders all take place during this annual general meeting. Directors report. Having a director report is another crucial annual compliance. The director reports out to be publicly disclosed each year. The report should be signed by the company's chairperson, who has been given permission by the board. Annual filing of return and financial statement. E-form MGT 7 is the electronic form allocated by Ministry of Corporate Affairs for companies and startups to file their annual returns and financial statement to the registrar of companies. Annual compliance deadline. Income tax filing. Income tax is to be filed by all individual startups and other companies annually. GST return filing. Even if no sales are made during the month or year, all companies, startups, and individuals selling goods and services in India are required to register for GST and GST return. Statutory audit compliance. At the conclusion of the fiscal year, every firm is expected to prepare its accounts and have them audited by a certain accountant. Legal requirement for a startup: the first board meeting, internal company compliance, maintenance of required registration and record, obtaining license and their renewal, other statutory compliance.